Welcome. In this video, making a broach cutting tool, we will follow the process used to make a broach cutting tool the American way. American Broach started making broach cutting tools in 1919, right here in Michigan. When a broach cutting tool order comes in, it is reviewed by one of our cutting tool engineers, and steel is purchased. To ensure quality now and into the future, American Broach has 2 full-time broach cutting tool engineers on our staff. This is rare amongst broach companies. When the steel comes in the door, it is received in by our receiving department. The first operation for the tool is the lathe department. The lathe hand will ensure that the length of the broach is correct, accounting for heat treat growth. At the lathe, we will turn in the teeth as well as the puller and retriever ends of the broach. Our CNC lathe provides consistent pitches and depths. The CNC lathe software that was developed by our software engineers for our internal use is now a product that we are selling to other broach companies. This is quickly becoming an industry standard. When the tool leaves the lathe, it is sent out for heat treating. We outsource all of our tools to high-quality tool steel heat treating companies. When the tool is heat treated, a scale is left on the surface of the tool. When we receive the tool from heat treating, we start by grinding the scale off the tool. Our next step is to grind the outside diameter of the tools to the size specified on the print. The spline grinding will put the form required onto the tool. From involute gears to rifles, we can put any form onto the broach. Most splines are straight from front to back. Some splines are twisted like a rifling broach. This twist is known as a helical. The last step in the actual manufacturing process is to face sharpen the broach in one of our CNC broach sharpening machines. American Broach and Machine Company CNC broach sharpening machines can be found throughout the world sharpening and manufacturing broaches. As well as servicing the North American market, as a leader in CNC broach sharpening, we are in our 4th decade of providing broach cutting tool sharpeners to Asia. The CNC face sharpening provides many advantages over manual sharpening. The CNC broach sharpener allows sharpening under coolant, keeping the cutting edge cool during sharpening so it does not get annealed. The consistency of the CNC sharpener is said to double the life of the tool. Our broach sharpeners have worked closely with our software engineers to produce outstanding, user-friendly software that fulfills all their requirements. This makes the software on our broach sharpening machines the best in the world. Before the broach cutting tools leave our facility, they are inspected. We often use a digital microscope along with other tools to inspect the tools. Sometimes the tools coming in for resharpening, we will inspect the tools under the digital microscope and we can share any concerns we have with these tools over email with our customers. This manufacturing process for our broach cutting tools is based on vast experience and has been finely tuned throughout the years. This vast experience is leading us from being America's broaching company to being the world's broaching company.